Ever dreamed of starting your own business but you're broke? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to start a real business with zero money. Stick around because these 5 steps might just change your life. First, start with your skills. What can you do really well? Can you cook, design, write, fix things, or talk to people? Turn that into a service. Offer it to friends, neighbors, or online. No money needed, just your talent. Second, use free platforms. You don't need a website on day one. Use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp Business, all free tools to promote and sell. Canva can help you design, Google Docs to manage, and ChatGPT to write. The internet is your office now. Third, start for free, build trust. Offer your service for free or at a discount to a few people. Get testimonials, reviews, and referrals. Once people trust you, they'll be happy to pay. Value first, money later. Fourth, find a partner. No camera? Partner with a friend. No venue? Use someone else's. You bring the skill, they bring the tools. Collaborate smartly. This is how real businesses are built from nothing. Fifth, reinvest every cent. That first $5, $50, or $500. Don't spend it. Reinvest. Buy tools, run ads, improve your service. Let your business fund itself and grow step by step. If you learn something new, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss our weekly drops. We've got more videos on side hustles, marketing tips, and building income streams with zero capital. Check them out now.